A very good morning to my dear students. How are you all? I hope you all will be in good health, children. So children, today we are going to do math. So everybody please get ready with your maths copy and pencil, eraser, everything so that we can start the math work. We are going to do missing numbers in maths. What are missing numbers? Missing means गायब, जो नहीं होते. We cannot see that numbers and we have to fill the number. Okay, so today we are going to do missing numbers. We have done before numbers and after numbers. Before means pehle, after means baad mein. Now we are going to do missing numbers. Means 1 is there, 2 is not there, 3 is not there, then 4 is there. So what we will write after 1? We will write 2. Then what comes after 2? 3. Then 4 is there. Then 5 is not there. Then what will we write after 4? 5. So these are the missing numbers which are not there. We have to fill that numbers in maths. Okay, so everybody please bring your maths copy, your pencil, eraser, everything, and let's start the missing numbers exercise. And after that you have to revise the story which we have done. Which story we have done, children? We have learned a story about a bird that is black in color and that was very thirsty. What was the name of the story? Thirsty Crow. So children, revise story Thirsty Crow, and then I will send you a link for the story also. Okay, which we have done earlier, and I will give you the video of that Thirsty Crow. Okay, so revise that story and come on fast. Bring your maths copy, pencil, eraser, everything so that we can start the writing work. Okay, children, so let's do it, and please stay at home. Don't go out. Wash your hands again and again. Okay, use sanitizer. Okay, don't go in the crowd. Okay, children. So be safe, stay at home, and let's do the writing work. Do send me your pictures for correction and do send me the clear picture. Okay, so let's start the writing work. All right. So children, ready with your maths copy? Let's do the maths work. First of all, we will put date. What is the date today? It's 23 dot 9.20. Here write C dot W. Okay, so today we are going to write missing numbers. So first line, write M I S S I N G. Missing. Leave one block. Write N U M B E R S. Numbers. Okay, now bracket. Write 1 dash 1 0 0 100 bracket close. Next line, a small cross. Then we will start. Write T O 2. Leave the block. Write T O 2 again. Again leave the block. Write T O 2. Again leave the block. Again T O 2. Again leave the block and write T O 2. Ones, tens. Okay, how many times we have written? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times we have written 2. Now we will write, do the missing numbers. Okay, children. So first is write 6. Where we will write 6? Below O, ones. Because this is single number. जब single number होता है then we write below O. Okay. When there are two numbers, then we start from T. Okay. Now, leave the block, dash. Then again leave the block and write 8. Then again leave the block, write dash. Again leave the block and 1, 0, 10. Okay. Let's do it. 6. What comes after 6? 7. Where do we write 7? Here. 7 is a single number, so we will write below O. 7. 6, 7, 8. Now what comes after 8? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So where we will write 9? Here? No, because 9 is a single number. We will write 9 below O. And then 10. 10 is a double digit number, so we have started from T. Okay. So 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now leave the blocks. Now write 1, 4, 14. Why we have written under T? Because there are two numbers, 1 and 4. Two numbers are there. So we started from T. Okay, now leave the block. Now dash like this. Again leave the block. 1, 6, 16. Leave the block. Again blank. And then 1, 8, 18. Let's do it. 1, 4, 14. What comes after 14? What comes after 4? 5. So here 1, 5, 15. Then 1, 6, 16. What comes after 6? 7. 1, 7, 17. And 18. Alright, understood how we have to do it? Now leave the block. 2, 1, 21. Two numbers, that is why we have started from T. Leave the block. Underline. Now again leave the block. 2, 3, 23. Again leave the block. Blank. And then 2, 5, 25. Now 2, 1, 21. What comes after 21? What comes after 1? 2. So 2, 2, 22. Okay. Now 2, 3, 23. What comes after 3? 4. So 2, 4, 24 and 25. Understood? Now again leave the block. Right. 3, 3, 33. Dash. Leave the block. Then dash again. 3, 5, 35. Again leave the block. And then 37. Now children, you will do it yourself. I am not going to help you. 33 dash 35 dash 37. Okay, now what is this? 33. What comes after 3? 4. So here we will write 3, 4, 34. 33, 34, 35. What comes after 5? 6. So here you will write 36. 37. See, the numbers which are not there are called missing numbers. And we have to fill that numbers. Okay, children? Now leave the block. 4, 9, 49. Dash 5, 1, 51. Dash and 5, 3, 53. Now Now see, 4, 9, 49. What comes after 9? 0. When we have done all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, then we have to do 0, 10. And we have to change this number also. Okay. So what comes after 9? 0. And where we have written Z? Under O, once. And then what comes after 4? 5. So 49, 50, 51. What comes after 1? 2 and 5, 52. 49, 50, 51, 52, 53. Okay children, now the next. Understood? It need a practice. 5, 6, 56. Now leave the block. Dash again. 58. Dash. And 60. 60. So 5, 6, 56. What comes after 6? 7. 5, 7. 57. 56. 57. 58. What comes after 8? 9. So here we will write 5, 9, 59. See children. Now 5 and 9. So 9 we have changed into 0, 5, 6. Okay, understood? So 59, 60. Again leave the block. 62, 62. Dash. Leave the block. Again leave the block and 64. Again 66. Okay. So what comes after 62? What comes after 2? 3. So here we will write 63. 63. 64. What comes after 4? 5. So here we will write 65 and 6, 66. Got it? Now again 7, 5, 75. Leave the block. Leave the block. 77. Again leave the block. And 79. Let's do it. 7, 5, 75. What comes after 5? 6. So we will write 76. 7, 7, 77. What comes after 7? 8. So here we will write 78 and 79. 75, 76, 77, 78 and 79. Now the next. 83, 83. Leave the block. Again 85 and 87. Let's do it. 83, 83. 83. What comes after 3? 4. So here we will write 84, 84, 85. What comes after 5? 6. So here we will write 86 and 87. Okay children, so understood? One more number is there. Now what you will do, you will write this missing numbers here, and here you will write the C.W. Okay, then all the numbers will come here. So I am writing the next number here on the next page, but what you have to do is, you have to write the missing numbers here and C.W. here. Then all the numbers will come in the same page. Okay, now the last one. Here are 9, 5, 95. Leave the block, then dash, then leave the block, then dash, then leave the block, and 9, 9, 99. Now see, 9, 5, 95. What comes after 5? 96. Then 9, 7, 97. What comes after 7? 9, 8, 98. And then next is 9, 9, 99. Understood, children? So practice it. Do practice with more numbers every day, before and after also practice. Okay? And do send me your pictures. Do send me your homework. A clear picture of your homework. Okay, children? Till then, take care. Bye-bye. Revise your story, The Thirsty Crow also, and send me the videos. I will send you the link also, and the previous video which I have made for you. Both the videos I will send you again. Okay, so till then, take care, be safe, stay at home, and God bless you all.